Hi everyone, Ryan Jewell here. I'm a Senior Technical Success Analyst here at Civis Analytics, and today I'm going to show you Civis Studio, a powerful development environment that brings the full capabilities of Visual Studio Code directly into Civis Platform. Civis Studio gives you a complete text editor with all the features you would expect. Syntax highlighting, extensions, Git integration, and even an AI-powered coding assistant with Copilot. But here's what makes Civis Studio special. It runs securely within Civis Platform, connecting your VS Code environment directly to your databases and credentials. With Civis Studio, you'll no longer need to juggle local environments, update API keys, or worry about secure access to your data. Let me show you the key features. First, everything you need persists between sessions. Your code changes, clone repositories, VS Code extensions, all your settings stay intact. Second, you get native Git integration, so you can clone repositories, commit changes, and push directly to GitHub using your platform credential. And third, we have integrated parameters into your environment. You can define environmental variables right here in Studio that give you secure access to your database credentials and other configuration values. These work exactly like script parameters that already exist in Civis Platform, so your code is portable and it runs seamlessly in scripts and workflows. Also, as I mentioned, Civis Studio includes GitHub Copilot chat. If you have a Copilot subscription, you can code with the assistance of AI right inside the editor. It has three modes. First is the Ask mode for quick suggestions and learning about your code. Edit mode, where the AI suggests changes directly to your files. And Agent mode, this is where it gets really powerful. In Agent mode, Copilot can interact with Civis' API through our MCP server. You can ask things like, why did my workflow fail? Or, how many records are in this table? And it will query Platform directly to help you debug and develop faster. Now let me show you a real-world example. Here I have a parameterized workflow that processes a data set that I have stored as a parameter in my environment. This workflow has two steps. First, it queries the table I have stored in the parameter, calculates some averages for some petal dimensions by plant species, and writes the results to a new table. The second step of this workflow then visualizes that data set using Seaborn and exports the results. Notice the parameters at the top here. These are two parameters that I had showed you earlier that I have set up in my environment. This allows the workflow to be flexible. It can be pointed towards different databases and different tables without necessarily having to change the underlying code. And this is exactly the kind of file you want to edit in Civis Studio, because you can test changes, see the syntax highlighting, and commit updates via version control, all without leaving your secure environment. Now here's the second piece I want to show you. This is a Python script that kicks off that workflow I just showed you. It pulls those same parameters from the environment and executes the workflow. And here's what's beautiful about having this all in Civis Studio. I can configure my parameters just once, and then I can edit the workflow YAML at will, edit this execution script, and execute everything from the integrated terminal without ever having to leave the editor. I don't have to switch to the platform UI to create a new script, copy the code over, or configure parameters again. All I have to do is kick off the job here in the terminal. So watch this. I have terminal opened up at the bottom. I just have to type in Python run workflow.py. Now Civis Studio is executing the script, which kicks off the workflow with the configured parameters. The workflow is running on a job in Platform, calculating those averages, creating the visualization, and outputting that visualization in the workflow's logs. Soon, at the bottom here, it will tell me if this workflow has run successfully or if it encountered an error. If I do encounter an error, I can just ask Copilot here on the right how I can fix that error, if it can edit my code for me, and then I just have to push those changes. If I do need to make any changes, for example, here I can add a little test note. Once I make those changes, they'll pop up over here as a change. Click this little plus sign to make them stage changes. Add a comment to the push. Commit the results. Sync the changes. And in seconds, we have updated our GitHub repository with this additional note. So that's Civis Studio for you, a full-featured development environment that's secure, connected directly to your data, and integrated within Platform. You can code faster, test easier, and deploy with confidence. Well, that's it from me, everybody. I'll see y'all in the ticket queue.